Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet with Zara. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet a beautiful and easy coaster. This project is perfect for beginners and works up quickly, making it great for gifts or home decor. Grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. For this, we are going to make a slip knot. Just take the yarn and cross it over itself in such a way that it makes a point. Put your finger on the point and pull the tail end from the circle or a loop, whatever you say, and make a slip knot. Just tighten the knot and work chain 4. I am taking 4 hook and a 4 ply yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the first chain and pull up the loop and pull through to make a slip stitch, and you can see there is a hole in between and we will work in this hole. Now for the round 1, I am going to make a chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, yarn over and work 11 double crochets and chain 3. I will count it as a double crochet, total of 12 double crochets. Insert the hook into the circle and pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. In the same way, work total of 11 double crochets and chain 3 as a 12th double crochet. Now I have worked total of 11 double crochets and a 12th double crochet. This chain 3, total of 12. Now insert the hook into the chain 3 and pull up the loop and pull through. Now this is my first round. Now I am going to start my round 2. Now for the round 2, work chain 3 as a double crochet and insert the hook back into the same space where we work a slip stitch as a double crochet. Now we are going to increase in each of the stitch, and in the end we have total of 24 double crochets. Now in the same way, work an increase in each of the stitch, and in the end you have total of 24 double crochets. Okay, I will meet you at this point. Now I am about to end my round 2. I have worked total of 24 double crochets, and in the chain 3 I am going to work a slip stitch now for the round 3. Chain 3 and work a double crochet back into the same. Now this is the increase stitch. Now into the next stitch I am going to work a double crochet. Now in the next stitch I am going to work an increase by working 2 double crochets back into the same stitch. In the same way, we are going to work a stitch pattern of increase stitch and a double crochet, and in the end we should have total of 36 double crochets. Now this is the very easiest and very simple tutorial, especially for the beginner. If you are a beginner and you want to make something for your home or in any on the project, you can begin by this crochet coaster. This is very simple and easy, and I will meet you at this point. Now in the chain 3 I am going to work a slip stitch to end the round 3, and just chain 1 and slip off the yarn and hide the tail in the stitches, and I'll show you the final results. And that's it, you have made your own crochet coaster. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more crochet videos. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting.